Hello and welcome to our channel. Today's video is going to be an exciting one as we delve into the world of working out. Whether you're a seasoned expert or new to this subject, we've got something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Let's get started. Here, I'd like to share some basic tips and resources for how to maintain your healthy lifestyle and body weight through exercising regularly and being physically active. First and foremost, regular exercise and physical activity are essential for maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. Engaging in physical activity helps to strengthen bones and muscles, improve cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of obesity and chronic diseases such as diabetes and hypertension, and boost mental health and well-being. The American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous-intensity aerobic activity per week, as well as muscle-strengthening activities at least 2 days per week. Examples of moderate-intensity aerobic activity include brisk walking, cycling, swimming, and dancing, while examples of vigorous-intensity aerobic activity include running, hiking, and playing sports such as basketball or soccer. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any exercise program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts to avoid injury and ensure long-term success. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Leave a comment down below, I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.